We are cutting across live to where Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is in fact thanking the railway staffers for the arrangement of Mahakumbh.
जैसे सभी विभागों ने, रेलवे ने, प्रशासन ने, सिविल डिफेंस ने, जीआरपी ने, आरपीएफ ने, रेलवे के विभिन्न विभागों ने जैसे मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल, ऑपरेशंस, सब ने जो एक साथ मिलके जो मेहनत की है, आज मैं सबको धन्यवाद देने के लिए आया हूँ। ये महाकुंभ हमारी आस्था का और साथ ही साथ हमारे देश की एकता का बहुत बड़ा परिचायक है। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ हमारे विश्व में सबसे लोकप्रिय यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को, जो उनके नेतृत्व में भारत में इतना बड़ा काम हुआ। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ उत्तर प्रदेश के यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री श्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को, उनके नेतृत्व में इतना शानदार आयोजन हुआ महाकुंभ का। देश विदेश से सब जगह से लोग आए और सबके चेहरे पे भारत की संस्कृति की एक बहुत बड़ी छाप है, बहुत बड़ा लोगों के मन में एक श्रद्धा का भाव है। मैं आज यहाँ पे आया हूँ सबको धन्यवाद देने के लिए।
कितने ट्रेनें चलाई गई, कितने यात्रियों ने?
हम लोगों ने करीब 13,000 ट्रेन की प्लानिंग की थी। 16,000 से ज़्यादा ट्रेन चली है और करीब 4.5 से 5 करोड़ पैसेंजर्स को रेलवे ने यहाँ से लाने और ले जाने में मदद की है। बहुत बड़ा समायोजन है, उसमें एक गिलहरी की तरह सभी का योगदान रहता है भगवान राम के।
All right, so that's Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav thanking the staff of the railways, and in this speech, while he was thanking the railway staff, he also mentioned that how there were about 16,000 trains that were going towards Mahakumbh, and it was arranged specially for the Mahakumbh. And apart from that, he also said that around 4 to 5 crore people were able to use this arrangement done by the railways as far as the Mahakumbh 2025 is concerned. So these are the visuals of Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav thanking the railway staff who were in fact there for this arrangement of Mahakumbh 2025. Once again, I want to highlight what Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has said. He was in fact thanking all those railway staff, and he went on to say that in the entire Mahakumbh there were around 16,000 trains that were in fact going towards Prayagraj. Let me now go across to my colleague Akash Sharma on this broadcast. Akash, we are seeing that the Union Minister is in fact thanking the railway staff for the kind of arrangement that was done for Mahakumbh. Take us through the details.
Right, Sharon, you see, railways had done extensive arrangements for Kumbh. We know that how hundreds of trains were operated from different parts of the country to Prayagraj to cater the crowd that was coming for Mahakumbh. And this time around, we are seeing Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who has reached Prayagraj to thank all those who were a part of this sort of arrangement done by railways. We know that how 8 to 9 stations were there in the entire Mahakumbh area that were in fact, catering to the kind of crowd that was coming in Prayagraj. And we know that how, railways have operated trains on demand and also the special trains that were pre-planned trains. This time around, we are seeing Rail Minister thanking not just the commercial staff, but also the RPF and other agencies, who are a very part of this whole arrangement. We know that how CCTV cameras were installed. We know that how at railway stations control rooms were made, holding areas were prepared, and everything else was very much included in the kind of arrangements that railways had done in for the 45 days. In fact, the religious gathering that we saw in Mahakumbh. And this time around, Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, including the senior officers of the railway board, and I can see the CRB as well,
yes,
have reached, at at Prayagraj, in fact, to thank the rail officials who are a very part of this arrangement.
All right. Many thanks, Akash, for getting us all those details. So these are the visuals of Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav thanking the railway staff after the culmination of Mahakumbh 2025.